Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down and tap on backup and reset option and tap on reset phone, which is at the very bottom of the list. As you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so reset network settings. Let's tap on it. Of course, we will have to verify ourselves, so let's enter the log screen and tap on Reset Network Settings. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.